6 seconds with Femi correct pidgin yannings now we dey do, and na the trucker experience Portharcourt na carry this one come. Wetin we dey look today na Manchester United versus Arsenal. Better game na dey happen today for Old Trafford. And for Arsenal, the away boys, make we talk about them small. Then they ride on better ginger right now. After they win Tottenham 4-2, their morale dey very high now. Many people don dey talk say, oh boy, e be like say this Arsenal side there, that time when Man United under Alex Ferguson knock them 8-2. Say e be like say this Arsenal side they don vex now with the way dem dey play, the way dem dey pass ball, the way dem just dey dribble everybody dey come. Say this Arsenal, e be like say today dem go knack Manchester United 8-2 again. Arsenal fans, I no know wetin you think. Today na the day wey una go revenge that 8-2 wey Man U knack una. Then for the homeboys, Manchester United, oh boy, no be small thing dey happen for that club. Oh, some people say don't even call them injury United because Jose Mourinho, the coach, just talk say he no know how he want to do today. Most of him players sef dem get better injury. Many players, ogbonge players, you go soon see their names. Na them be this. The players dem get better injury and no be small injury. Dem go dey without some of their key players. How Manchester United go fare today? Man United fans, how una think say this one go be? No forget na the trucker experience na carry this one come. You fit win tickets, go the trucker experience for inside Portharcourt. Just predict the scoreline between Manchester United and Arsenal, and you go be one of the people who go win the ticket.